Hello, welcome to my channel Luisa Bakes. Today we're making heart-shaped chocolate chip cookies. The perfect gift for Valentine's Day. So let me show you the ingredients we need. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons espresso, 1 cup dark brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 1½ cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So let's get started. The first step is to melt and brown the butter. Heat it up on medium heat and keep stirring it to make sure the butter is browning evenly. Once it has a dark color, pour it into a bowl and let it cool down for a few minutes. Now we're gonna start mixing the dough. So we're gonna put the dark brown sugar and the white sugar in our stand mixer. We're gonna add salt and all the liquids and blend it all up. After all is incorporated, add the eggs. Before adding the flour, you make sure to mix it with the baking powder. Add the flour mixture in small portions to make sure it gets fully incorporated, but don't overmix it. So the last step is to fold in the chocolate. And that's it. This is our dough. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start shaping the cookies. For that, we're using a heart-shaped iron cast. Or you can even try to shape it yourself. But I strongly recommend to use something to hold the dough in place. When you're ready to bake, put the cookies in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. After baking, let the cookies cool down for a few minutes before moving them to a cooling grid. And here they are, our delicious Valentine's Day cookies. If you want to try them, all you have to do is leave a comment down below. As you might know from my other videos, I will be giving these cookies to the first 3 comments, so good luck! I hope you liked the video. If so, give me a thumbs up and turn on the notifications for more delicious recipes. I see you next week, and remember, baking is happy.